What's something people don't know about ancient scientific wisdom? Why aren't more people talking about how a 7th century text uncannily predicted modern astronomy? In the heart of the Quran, there's a verse that has fascinated both scholars and astronomers. Chapter 21 verse 33 says, "It is He who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. Each of them is floating in its orbit." This was penned when most believed these celestial bodies were static, fixed in the heavens. Fast forward to the 20th century, and what do we find? Science confirms that not only the Earth but also the sun and moon are in constant motion, each tracing an intricate path through the cosmos. But there's more. This ancient verse even incorporates a visual palindrome, KLFYFLK, illustrating the concept of an orbit with its symmetrical looping script. This palindrome beautifully mirrors the endless cyclical nature of orbits, where the end is continuously connected to the beginning, much like the celestial dance of the sun and the moon around Earth. The integration of scientific insight and artistic expression in these words is not just poetic, but prophetic. Today, as we gaze into the night sky, perhaps we can appreciate this blend of ancient wisdom with modern understanding, all floating together in the vast orbits of human knowledge.